As far as measurement of intangible assets is concerned, for their initial measurement, we get guidance in paragraph 24 of International Accounting Standard 38. According to this paragraph, an intangible asset is measured initially at cost. In most of the cases, cost of an intangible asset can be measured easily and reliably. For example, in case of separately acquired intangible assets, the cost comprises its purchase price and any directly attributable cost of preparing the asset for its intended use. While in some cases of intangible assets, fair value is used as a measure of cost. For example, in cases of intangible assets acquired in a business combination or intangible assets acquired in exchange for a non-monetary asset, fair value is used as a measure of cost. As far as subsequent measurement of an intangible asset is concerned, an entity can record it using the cost model or revaluation model. In cost model, an intangible asset is recorded at cost less accumulated amortization, and here amortization is similar to depreciation in case of property, plant and equipment, less accumulated impairment loss. While in revaluation model, an intangible asset is reported at revalued amount, which is the fair value at the date of revaluation less any subsequent amortization less any subsequent impairment loss.